I'm going to show you how to change this cartridge on a Delta faucet. It's pretty easy. This thing, whenever you close the handle, it keeps leaking water, so this will fix that problem. So first things first is we have to turn off the water. This one is already closed. This one has a broken handle, but I did turn that with some pliers. Then you're going to pop this cover off with a flathead screwdriver. Get an Allen wrench and loosen up that screw right there and pull this sucker off. Once that's off, you can go ahead and twist this. And that leaves you with the cartridge and the retaining nut. Verify that that cartridge is the same before you take it apart any further. And use some pliers to go ahead and loosen this thing up. From there, you can go ahead and remove the cartridge. Here you'll see two locating pins that are going to guide it back onto that unit, and you'll know you have it seated when it doesn't move left or right. And we'll go ahead and swap these things out real quick. Again, make sure it doesn't twist left or right. Go ahead and tighten this down by hand. And get the pliers to fasten it down. You don't want to go crazy with this, but you don't want to leave it loose either, so just use your best judgment. From there, you have the option of limiting how much hot water comes out. So this is full normal hot when you have it at that setting. And if you go to option 2, it's going to be a mixture of hot and cold, where it's basically just warm. But we definitely want our hot to be hot, so we're going to leave it the same way it was when we took it apart. After that, we'll go ahead and get this decorative cap put back on. Then we could slide the handle back down. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten this Allen nut. And once that's done, we'll go ahead and put this cap back on and you're good to go. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, pick up a bottle of this Lime Away foaming action. Spray it all over the hard water stains. Let it sit for a bit. And then hit it with a nylon brush, and this thing will come out looking brand new. So we've got a 10-year-old faucet right here, looking brand new and functioning brand new, just like the day we got it.